Six scooters, we're still presenting here. Quiet, please.
Hello, and today we are talking about textiles. Now, textiles are a big part of life. I like recycling my stuff. Recycling textiles is rad. I sell my own clothes and stuff on a really cool website called eBay. Then I make money. Also, you can donate your old textiles to thrift stores.
They people are sucking my skinny jeans and then they get my skinny jeans and then they get recycled into insulation houses. Wow, I love my skinny jeans.
Woof woof, I'm a bunny. People try to recycle their carrots, and then I get munchy. You should never put trash in recycling bin. In Houston, Texas, it's hot.
Oh, no.
Whoa. Okay. Eyes up. Okay. Let's try this again. Talk to yourself or your neighbor, I don't care, but when I say eyes up, eyes up. Eyes up. Great. Sixers, we don't have time for you to start talking in between. Okay? Next person's up. Your attention is up there right away. Understand?
Yeah.
Okay, now, the groups that are done, you need to also make sure you're still paying attention. Okay, boys, you ready?
If you guys want to read boring stuff, it's up on top right here. We're not going to explain it because it's really boring. You guys can put the speaker. You guys want to read that? Yes. Casey, will you please stand up here and hold it up like this, like that's fine. Okay, top part is all boring stuff. You guys want to read boring stuff next time? Okay. So, I'm Ron Burgundy right now. The music's already been played. We bring you breaking news on this radio announcement. We are going to explain the recycling process of glass in 5 easy steps. First, the consumer or person who bought the glass throws it in a recycle bin.
Then glass is taken from the bin and taken to the glass treatment plant.
Next, the glass is sorted by color and washed to remove harmful germs.
Then the glass is crushed and melted, then molded into new products such as bottles and jars. It can also be used in bricks and decorations.
Finally, the glass is sent back to the shops to be used again and again.
So don't throw away anything to do with glass.
Okay.
Clap, 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 clap. So when you guys read the boring stuff, it was just like about, like what? Fine, I'll give you like a small thing. Glass recycling is like the process of turning waste glass into like useful products. I mean, sorted by color, industrial waste, blah blah. And there's like adding to this waste is the fact that I don't know. You guys want to read that?
Okay, if you're done with your poster, bring it up here. Okay, so they had glass. How did they... Go ahead, put it over there.
Hey, Quade, welcome to YouTube.
Come on up. Good.
Welcome to YouTube.
Boys, take your desks back, please.
Oh yeah.
Okay, while they're coming up here,